Hi guys, S&P 500 lost another 5 points today, but as I said yesterday, it's no big deal. Market continues to be bullish, um, but what I'm trying to give you today is some tips, some stocks which I am considering at the moment. Um, Once that this is a very conservative approach, so it's you buy now and you can wait for probably for a few good years until they change the trend. Um, as you remember from yesterday, my style of trading is I'm a momentum trader. Um, I like to either short the market or to go long whenever necessary, but not like from day to day, so from month to month. I just like to do it once in a while, once in a few good years, okay? At least with the bulk amount of money. For with a little few bucks, I can trade like anybody else, okay? So, um, So remember, I have this exponential moving average I'm using 25 on weekly chart and another exponential moving average 50. I'm looking if they give me a bearish crossover like this one in here or a bullish crossover like this. So then when I'm switching the trends, okay. And for confirmation, I have a simple, I guess you call moving average, which is 120. So I'm looking for this one. I'm looking as a confirmation first. Most of the time, the EMA's cross. Then you'll see the stock moving below this moving average. But I also am looking for the direction. For here is clearly is going down and is going up. So let's have a look. I like S&P 500 better than any other indicator. It's S&P 500. It's an average. It's an average of 500 companies in America. Okay, so um, and the moving average is an average of this average. So that's what I'm trust. I have a great trust in these guys. But let's look a little bit at the individual stocks, and you'll understand better what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so this was this is act. This was the moment when I consider buying the stock. For example, here. Okay, so it's a bullish crossover. Um, the SMA 120, it's flat or moving a little bit up. So anywhere in this area, doesn't matter really too much, because this, if this will happen, will stay for years like this, okay? So let's say my entry is around 40, 45, okay? And look at this. There's a pretty big drop in here, okay? But the EMAs didn't cross, didn't give a bearish crossover. And also, the small 120 was not even touched and continued to move up. So still good. Let's go, go, go. Okay. And we'll go to the today. So enter 45, and now we're at 214, and it still looks okay. Okay, so right now, to be honest, I would be a bit worried about this stock because look, it's went up exponentially in here. So the support is now as 105, okay, and the stock is 214. I mean, I cannot afford to lose 50% of this just to say, okay, from 105 we'll go up again. Probably somewhere right here, after crossing the MR25, probably I'll go out in this case, okay. Let's look another one, okay. Same well-behaved well-behaved stock, okay. Entry somewhere around 30. It's still okay, okay. PCLN, that's a really crazy one, okay. So again, a good entry here, It didn't do anything for a year almost. Staying traded in range, okay. Still okay. Good to go. Okay, I can show you many others. The thing is, everybody can look back and say, okay, this was a good entry and this is good exit. You know, but the thing is to make this decision at the exactly at the right time. Okay, not looking back. So let's look. I'm going now to the point why I'm making this video. So I'm gonna show you actually some stocks which give a bullish crossover right now. Okay, so first is BSX. It's a very good one. Okay, very nice downtrend. Very nice downtrend. The stock didn't manage to go over the small 120. Okay, but look at this now. Now it's I have a bullish crossover and this is moving up. Okay, so actually I bought this one around 9:30 somewhere in here. Okay, and I can sleep well at night, you know, because I don't think I don't care if it's moving up or down a little bit. Okay, like I did in the last few days. It doesn't matter because I'm looking for the long term, and long term looks okay for this stock. So I don't know when it's gonna stop, but for now I'll keep it. Okay, let's give you another example. Okay, this is a very popular stock, very fast one actually. You know, that was a really nasty drop in here. Okay, actually it's a little bit too early. You know, for this one, just we have a bullish crossover in here, but not very convincing. It's not going up. You know, it's going all lateral. And the small 120 just went below here. So I'll keep an eye on this one, but not buying. AKS again, really crappy, still holding. You know, it's good that I have a bullish crossover after a few good years, you know, and also that the small 120 is below the current price, which didn't happen for a while, for a few good years, but still, it's too risky. Let's see. This is a good one. This is a good one. Look, very nice downtrend, and now probably moves up. So I'm considering buying this one. Okay. Next, value. Nice downtrend. Not really. It's a little bit too early. I can risk a little bit of money here, but probably I need to wait a little bit more. DLB, the same story. I don't like it's too noisy for my taste, you know, too noisy really. This is a good one. Nice, absolutely beautiful downtrend from here. You know, this is banking. This is actually all the banking stocks. They give me a bullish signal, like in the half of 2013. You know, so here this is a good entry. Even now, I think it's a good entry. Is this good? I'll be a little bit worried. You know, financials are really still in bad shape. You know, but you can ride it for a while. Looks good so far. This one, wow. Again, financial. Let's see. I need to move. Okay. I don't know about this one. Indeed, I have a bullish crossover here. For the first time in years, I see a small 120 moving up. You know, but it's not that good. No, I don't know if I choose this one. Really, it's on my watch list. Not ready to buy this one. PVA. Let me see. Okay, PVA. That was good. Nice. Downtrending here, really sharp actually. Now, for the first time in like, what, 4 years, 5 years, we have a bullish crossover, you know. So that will be a good entry point. ETFC, the same story. The same story for the first time. Look, I can say this was the bottom. I mean, you can't be sure that this is actually the bottom, but the chance that this is real, it's bigger than, let's say, it was here, you know. So you can't say this was the bottom or this was the bottom, you know. Okay. Nah, I don't like this. PCLM, no, it's too early. Absolutely too early for this one. The same thing here, and it's on my watching list. I'm glad to see this bullish crossover and small 120 went going below, but still, it's flat, I guess. It's not even rising now. Too early for me. Other people probably trading as we speak, okay? Or that's too noisy for my taste. I mean, I could ride this for a while. No, this is not that good. CPF, again, banking. Too early, but could be a good one. Keep an eye on this one. HPQ, oh, that's pretty good. Okay, we have a uptrend line in here. So as long as it doesn't go below this, I think it's in a good shape. But again, looks a little bit early. Now this looks good. Financial, look, beautiful. It's going up really nicely. Okay, this is moving up. Again, that's one which I would consider this one. Okay. Pharmaceutical. These are crazy stocks. Okay, this looks good. I like it. Okay. On my watch list, again, CRME. Too early, but good. Okay, this one the same. I'm watching this one. Oh, this is a crazy one. This is absolutely crazy. Look, 11,000. Okay, went down, 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 down. Then went down. I think that, what is that? A penny, probably something. No, like a dollar. Maybe it's below a dollar. Then went to 52. That was good, but still, look. I mean, for a long time, that you'll be crazy to buy this one. Yeah, look at the SMAL20. No crossing over, no bullish crossover. And right now I have one. I have actually one. It's too early, but I may consider this. Okay, another decent one. Okay, went up pretty fast. Maybe the entry was a little bit lower than it's like 14, 15. Who knows? I just want to give you some ideas, you know, not necessarily. I'm not encouraging anybody to buy. You buy whatever you want, okay? PTN again, drugs. Looks like it was bottoming here. Maybe it's okay. Not sure about this one. I mean, it looks great. Look, the entry here it looks great, but look at this drop in here. I'll be a bit nervous. I mean, if I bought it here, I will stay. That's okay. 550 is also okay. But right now, I want to see it at least trying to move back, like 750. Then will be a good entry, maybe. Okay. What is this? Automotive. QTWW. Again. Too early, but keep an eye on this one. Look. Bullish EMA crossing, which didn't happen since 05. I mean, okay, actually it did here. Look. It happened a few times, but look at, that's why I have a confirmation the SMAL20. Okay, SMAL20 was still going down, so that actually was not a good entry point. It was very risky, you know, and people, but right now it's less risky than previous times. Okay, Logi next. Looks good here. To be honest, looks cool. I don't like it's too noisy in general, you know, so SNIT, good entry. Yeah, I think it's good. Future, decent, maybe too early. PBI1, yeah, well, here is the problem. Look, it's a lot of volume at this level here. Absolutely, it may go down from here. Okay, so I will wait, say to 30. Then I say, okay, that's it. Went above this level, probably is going to go up. Yeah, Nautilus, pretty good. Is bottoming here? Maybe. NTZ too early. I'm watching this one. Okay. So let's stop here for this one. There are many others. I may show you some other time. Let's look at some stocks which you can short or consider shorting right now. Okay. So look at this. Good entry. Ralph Lauren. Right now is for the first time in years. Went below the small 120, and if you can see, if I zoom a little bit in, let me see. Okay, it's a crossover, a bearish crossover. That really is not that clear, like was this one in here. Okay, let's look another one. This is already, I think, that you can short this, I guess. Yeah, well, it's trying to move up. Need to wait for this one. Okay, it's my watch list. Okay, small 120 is already moving down. This you can short this. You can wait actually to move a little bit up, then short it. If you want a really good entry. Okay. Okay, same story here. This is really bad. You can short. I mean, I cannot short this. Stock need to be at least over $3. At least my broker doesn't let me short it, but it doesn't look so good. Okay, this is another beautiful one. Look, now it's in trouble. Now it's in trouble here. Okay. So, Philip Morris, the same thing. Okay, it may be a good short soon. So I'm gonna stop here. So this is my style of trading. You know, you can do the same thing if you want to do it on a shorter term. Let's say, so I'm now on weekly. If I go on daily, but see, it doesn't look. It's really crazy on daily. Cannot do anything. But there are stocks like let's do BSX on daily. Okay, you can find. Look, that was a good entry in here. Okay, and it's still good, so you can do this. It depends on your time frame. Okay, but I want to be sure that I rather miss some opportunities than risk my money. That's the idea. So I'm a very safe guy. Okay, so have a look at the stocks and let me know your opinion. Okay, bye.